The Hollywood media has been going crazy over Amber Heard and Johnny Depp because of the continuous battle going on between them. When Heard first filed for divorce from Depp, she alleged that Depp had physically abused her during their 15 months of marriage and said it was usually while under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Moreover, she said at the time of filing for divorce an incident had recently happened in which Depp threw his phone at her, leaving her with a bruised face. However, a police spokesman told People that an investigation into the domestic incident radio call found that no such incident had taken place. Depp denied all of the abuse and assault accusations and through his representatives said Heard was attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. In addition, American actresses Winona Ryder and Vanessa Paradis both provided statements in Depp's defense. The idea that he is an incredibly violent reason is the farthest thing from the Johnny I knew and lived. I cannot wrap my head around these accusations. Meanwhile, Paradis wrote that Heard's accusations are nothing like the true Johnny I have known, and from my personal experience of many years, I can say he was never violent or abusive to me. In 2019, Depp sued Heard for $50 million for defamation over the WAPO article. The suit said that Heard is not a victim of domestic abuse, but a perpetrator, and also denied that Depp ever abused her. Instead, the suit said that Heard's allegations were a part of an elaborate hoax to generate positive publicity for the actress. Truth came out in January 2020 when some phone recordings were released by Daily Mail, and in these recordings Heard admitted hitting Depp. According to reports about the recording, Heard said, "I am sorry that I didn't hit you across the face in a proper slap, but I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you are not punched. I don't know what the motion of my actual hand was, but you are fine. I did not hurt you. I did not punch you. I was hitting you." What we heard throughout the recordings was that Amber was being very disrespectful to Johnny. But in response to Amber, Johnny was as civil as he could be. That shows the accusations of Amber against Johnny were quite the opposite. Beside other accusations, Johnny Depp also accused Amber Heard of being involved in extramarital affairs with Elon Musk and James Franco, which Heard denies. A celebrity clash can get you nowhere but behind the bars. A recent tweet of Johnny Depp says, "I will never know peace until Amber Heard gets the jail time she deserves." Amber Heard can end up in jail due to her false allegations on her ex-husband. Apparently, the actress faked the scene of the alleged aggression she suffered at the hands of her ex-husband. Depp also claimed that Amber Heard used to punch him, hit him, and did other kinds of acts of violence to him. "She hit, punched, and kicked me. She also repeatedly and frequently threw objects into my body and head, including heavy bottles, soda cans, burning candles, television remote controls, and paint thinner cans, which severely injured me," Johnny Depp stated. During their battle, one of Amber Heard's friend Laura Divner gave a statement in favor of Johnny Depp, and she exposed the truth and other dirty secrets of Amber Heard. So, what is the truth? Laura Divner said in her statement that she never witnessed any injuries stated by Heard because Divner used to work as an interior designer and she was regularly in touch with the Aquaman actress at that time. According to the reports from The Blast, Laura Divner talked about the alleged abuse, and she said in her statement, "I was with Amber and interacted with her frequently on the several days immediately following her abuse allegation, including at least on May 23, 24, 25. On those days, I worked with Amber, retrieved packages for her, rode elevators with her, and saw her up close and in person. On none of those days immediately following the abuse claims did I observe any signs of physical abuse or injury, including redness, swelling, cuts, bruising, or damage of any kind." Additionally, Laura Divner added that it was Amber Heard who was verbally and physically abusive towards Johnny and also other people, including her former assistant Kate. "I witnessed Amber being verbally abusive towards her former assistant Kate, screaming at her on the phone. Her then assistant Kate called me several times in tears, very upset, regarding the treatment she received from Amber." Laura Divner also said that Amber Heard should get the jail time she deserves. Another person that was so close to Amber Heard was her stylist. Her personal stylist, Samantha McMillan, has been working with her since many years before the case. Amber Heard claimed in court filing that Johnny Depp violently abused her on 15 December 2015, the night before she made an appearance on the Late Night Show with James Corden. However, her stylist claimed that she didn't see any cuts or bruises anywhere on the visible parts of her body. She further said that she was there with her on the show, and after the show, she saw Heard's face in close range and good light and also without makeup, but she didn't see any sign of abuse. Throughout the day of December 16, 2015, I could see clearly that Amber Heard did not have any visible marks, bruises, cuts, or injuries to her face or any other part of her body. She appeared as a guest on the James Corden show that day, McMillan stated. The case had progressed recently. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation trial starts April 11, 2022. After what seems like years of delays, the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation case finally went to trial in Fairfax County, Virginia on April 11, 2022, which, when said and done, could bring an end to the entire saga. What started out as a Washington Post op-ed by Amber Heard could potentially turn into a $50 million judgment against the actress, or one totaling $100 million against her former husband, depending on with whom the 12-person jury sides, per The Hollywood Reporter. The trial, which is being broadcast on Court TV, has wrapped up many of the former couple's friends and colleagues, including Heard's Aquaman co-star Jason Momoa, whose emails were added as exhibits in March 2022. Attorneys for actor Amber Heard sought to undermine Johnny Depp's libel lawsuit against her Thursday by spending hours in court focused on the actor's drinking, drug use, and texts he sent to friends, including one about wanting to kill and defile his then-wife. Johnny Depp cross-examination focuses on his violent language and texts, angry outbursts captured on audio and video. Actor is being cross-examined by Amber's attorney. Much of the afternoon of the cross-examination of Johnny Depp was devoted to the reading of graphic text messages and the airing of audio and video of angry outbursts and confrontations with Amber Heard. As one audio clip ran near the end of the day's proceedings, Depp, on the witness stand, wiped his eyes with his hand before grabbing a tissue. The attorneys are trying to derail Depp's libel lawsuit against Heard that alleges that she falsely portrayed him as a domestic abuser and ruined his lucrative acting career. They argue that Depp did indeed abuse Heard, both physically and sexually, and claim that Depp can't deny it because he was often drunk and high on drugs to the point of blacking out. Many of previous text and audio recordings are shown. The video showed Johnny throwing tantrums, pounding and smashing things, and one such audio was in which he seemed to be performing self-harm. The audio was from July 2016, after the couple filed for divorce and Heard sought a restraining order against him. Depp looked down at a computer screen as the audio was played. "Where do you want the scar?" Depp says. Heard pleads with him, "Don't cut your skin. Please do not cut your skin." "Why would I do that?" "Please do not do that. Please don't cut yourself." Many other videos and audios was there. Johnny's hateful messages were read. He was questioned about his past, where he was abused by his own parents, and his addiction was questioned. A question was raised about his and Paul Bethany's friendship and them doing drugs together. "I, of course, pounded and displayed ugly colors to Amber on a recent journey," Depp said in a text message to a friend, the actor Paul Bettany, in July 2013, which was shown to jurors. Amber's attorney also showed the jury one of Depp's texts to Bettany in 2014 in which he referenced whiskey, pills, and cocaine. The case will finally end soon, but we hope it ends in peace.